In this video, we'll learn how to calculate the difference between two date fields in Zoho Creator. Let's consider the example of a leave form to demonstrate this use case. This form is used by employees to apply for leave by selecting the from and to dates. It could be challenging to calculate the number of days between these two dates manually. To address this, we'll create a workflow to automatically calculate the number of days between the two date fields. To begin, let's quickly add a single-line field to display the calculated day difference. Name the field and click Done. Next, let's create a workflow to calculate the difference between the date fields. To do that, from the editor, access the Workflow section and proceed to create a workflow. Choose the leave form and set the workflow to run when a record is created. The workflow should be triggered on the user input of the to date field. Give a name and proceed to create the workflow. Click on Add New Action. The Deluge script builder will open. The logic is to calculate the number of days between the from and to date fields and populate that value in the newly added single-line field. Type start date equals input.from, end date equals input.to, input.number of days equals start date dot days between end date plus 1. In the first line, we assign the value entered in the from date field to the variable start date. In the second line, we assign the value entered in the to date field to the variable end date. And in the third line, we calculate the number of days between start date and end date using days between function, and add +1 to make sure the count includes both days. We then populate the result in the number of days field. The logic is ready. Let's see how our workflow functions in the app. As we see, if the same date is selected for both the from and to fields, Creator counts it as one day, and when different dates are selected, it correctly calculates and updates the number of days based on the duration between them. The requirement is successfully met. Similarly, you can use this method to find the number of days between two date fields or date time fields in your Zoho Creator application. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.